Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Nawed and today we are debating on a crucial and controversial topic. The topic is in the regard of practicals and assignments should be given or not. There are a lot of reasons why I am in the against of this topic. First of all, I would like to start with the need. Basically, if we talk about the assignments, so there is no need of assignments really, because what happens is when we submit our assignments, most of the time they tear, they sail, they burn. These all thing happens with the creativity which is mentioning about. He is mentioning that China is developing because of the creativity, because Chinese, the people who are in China, they have good handwriting, so their country is developing. So we should just cancel everything. What should we do is, here in Ideal Academy we should teach how to write everything in a proper way so that India can develop. Is it?
No.
It is, according to him and according to his whole team. And the next thing which they are mentioning, and I would like to mention, is about the consistency. As Rayyan was mentioning about the consistency, and Danish Bhai was giving some examples of license, gun, these all things he was mentioning about. So first, those are not regarding the studies, but if you are talking about consistency, that I should write so my writing skills will improve. And as Rayyan was also mentioning, so see, there is a chapter which is written, I am copying that chapter. Do I want to become R.K. Sharma? Means, am I writing book? Am I printer? Gut. I will print out some pages and I will write another book. What's the need of writing another book? I just have that book to read, to understand, and whatever is written there. What's the need to make another book in the file which is useless? Teacher is not going to write that book. The basic need and the basic preference should be to understand that book what it wants to say. And the next thing is they were talking about the practicals, as Bashir Bhai was showing the experiments. So I would like to give answer to them is about the humanities student. Those students who has humanities subjects, first of all, they cannot perform the practicals. Like take the example of history. In the 12th class you have chapters like Harappan civilization, Mauryan empire, Sufism, and you have Mughal empire, Vijayanagar empire. These all empires you have. In that condition you cannot recreate that situation. And if you are recreating the situation, suppose that I am studying about how the Mahatma Gandhi was killed. In that situation, what is going to happen? Someone is going to come and some other person will become Nathuram Godse, and then he will start shooting Mahatma Gandhi, and that boy will dance like the way he was killed at the time. He should be acted like that. Will you gonna understand like that in the way? Not at all. In that condition you will have to read the theory and just imagine the situation, and that's it to understand. What's the need of making those all things practically? Are you understanding?
Yeah,
Now you can
understanding. So as you were mentioning about the theory and practical, so in my approach, the theory is not this much important, because suppose that you are studying the means any subject and you have studied, and after some time, so it may happen after almost 3-4 months, it may happen that you can forget. But if someone teaches you by the practically, so you will save this thing in your mind, and it will be stay in your mind for long time. You will not forget. And now I want to give answer to Aisha. He was saying that she was saying about the it is waste of time. So because of the assignments and the practicals, we are getting marks, we are increasing our IQ level, and we can become entrepreneur also, and we can become creative also. So it is waste of time, and you don't focus on your project. That's why you give time to project 1-2-3 days. But in my approach, when I made project, so it take only 2 and 3 hours.
Because you didn't make creativity there.
I made.
She did creativity, that's why it took a lot of time.
20 marks out of 20.
Okay. So now I would like to give some answers to some student. As Danish Bhai, he was mentioning that first you will buy a paper, so your buying skills will increase. Then you will write on the paper, your writing skills will increase. Then you will read that paper, so your reading skills will increase. Then you will submit that paper, so your submitting skills will increase. Then you will come back your home, so your coming back home skills will increase. Means in every situation your skills are gonna increase, because you are giving a practical and he is supporting that thing. Means in his way everything is gonna increase, everything is gonna improve, because he is supporting that thing. It doesn't happen, brother. It's just a kind of waste of time. And the second thing which Ayan was mentioning was about okay, leave him. And Adnan brother, he was mentioning about the writing, that writing gives a good impression to the teacher, and writing gives this, writing gives that. Brother, see my writing. It's even I cannot understand what I have written. However, I gave 12th class board exams, and alhamdulillah, I was the topper of my school, you know, by this writing. And there were many students who were better in the writing than me, but what works is your knowledge, which was better. So I was not getting like this, that his writing is not good, cancel everything. First he should write 100 articles, 100 practicals, then he should give exam, then we will allow him to give exam. This doesn't happen, brother.